I would like to show you a folder that you can create on your computer that gives you a whole list of settings that you can change, which normally take a lot of digging into settings to find. Anywhere in the desktop, right-click and hit New Folder and give it this name, and then hit Enter. I have the name typed out here, so just take a look at that and copy it letter for letter and make sure it's exactly the same, otherwise this won't work. And then you simply double click on it, open it, and it gives you a whole list of options. It's somewhere around 250 options or list items that you have here. So let's just go through some of these. Change default settings for media or devices, play CDs or other media automatically, and so on. And then change date and time, add a Bluetooth device. So if you just want to do one of these, you just double click on it and it'll take you right to that setting without having to go to settings and search for Bluetooth and then go from there. It just takes so much longer. Here it's just super quick. You just find it in a list, or you can even search for it. This is very useful to have if you find yourself frequently changing settings without having to do a deep dive into settings to change some of these things. You could even do things like change cursor blink rate, and then you can even control Internet Explorer. Not that anyone uses this anymore. This folder seems to be a little bit outdated. It's still talking about Windows 7 and Internet Explorer. Sometimes when you search for a setting in the start menu, it might just give you web search results or just not be able to find exactly what you're looking for. And this can sometimes help to just search in a more specific area and find it more quickly. And sometimes also if you go through search results and you click on the one that you need, it might take you to the general setting, and then you still have to go through some of those to find exactly what you're looking for, whereas this takes you right to it.